6 new roofing business ideas that you can use right away to really grow your roofing business. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and I do the roofing news each day where you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. And so what I did is I found 6 great new ideas from this week's news that could be really beneficial for you. So the first one is from Firestone. A video came out about EPDM system from Firestone, and here's what's so special about it. So even if you're not into the commercial roofing business, this is a great way for you to get involved with it. First, it's durable. It's a EPDM with a UV resistant membrane, and it's really easy to install. They're saying you can do it in 4.6 times faster than any other system. So here it is. You got the roof deck, thermal barrier, insulation, cover board. This is what the system looks like. And where you could really be profitable with it is the temperature. You can lay it in -7 degrees Celsius, which is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So that gives you many more months to lay a commercial membrane than anything else. So I mean, you could almost double your profits from that. And here's a training video where they show you how easy it is to install.
Easy to use installation.
So
Allow
you can,
the side and on a 40. So remember to roll.
you know, it's really safe. You don't need blow torches. It's all an adhesive. And I forgot to tell you, below the video I always put the links so that you can reference these sources. So I'll link to this website here about the Firestone new full force EPDM plus this video. It's a 30-minute video. It's great. It's you know, for Canada, but it applies obviously to everywhere. So that's a great way to really grow your business by just being more efficient and faster with EPDM. And also we can help you if you're not into commercial roofing. We can help you. We've done the Conklin spray coating, so if you need help getting involved with commercial roofing, give me a call and I'll help you with that. All right, let's go on to the next idea. This came out from RoofSnap, which is software to help roofers. And we make roofing better for everyone. I'll just read this fastly. We are a software company that was built from the ground up to provide solutions to problems we have seen in the roofing industry. We are driven to provide high quality applications for roofers and insurance adjusters. We're driven to bring truly innovative products to the roofing industry. Our goal is to make your life easier and your company more profitable. The days of measuring roofs by hand or spending $50 for an overly detailed report are over. And so you don't even have to get up on the roof. They'll measure it. They show you how you can do the measuring yourself, or you can just order it from them. And they're tied in, with Apple, Android, and the web with these different product lines. So they do everything for you. Let me just show you quickly. So they give you the job summary, labor reports, pre-starts, materials, contracts, estimates. So you can become way more efficient in your roofing business with some software. So check that out. All right, let's go on to the third idea. Here comes from the National Historic Boathouse, and they got $5,400 a square. This roofer right here, I think Gutierrez Roofing, he's right there. And he was able to get so much for it. I mean, it was a 12/12 pitch, but because it's a federal contract, and they link to this Mastering Federal Contracts GC Experts, which I'll link below, and they have a workshop. And here's a testimonial. They have several testimonials. So proven results. This guy made, he was awarded a $561,000 contract. And this is the gentleman, Doug Reitmeyer. He wrote a book, How to Become a Federal Construction Contractor. And it's a long list, of all the things that you're going to learn at this workshop. And he says on there, the workshops are by invitation only. You can call here. But I'll just read this first one. The fastest way to find profitable federal contracts and where to find construction opportunities that few contractors know about. With this information, members will know exactly who to contact and how to get access to the thousands of federal construction projects that are not available through the government's main procurement website known as FedBiz App. So that's just one. Several different things that you will learn. So of course I'll put a link to that. So federal contracts are another way for you to make money. Another one is supplements. Joe Mallon, and I've talked to him on the phone. He's been a roofer for several years. And what I love about it is he's got a whole course to help you out with the supplement industry. Plus, he will go on the phone and help you with your first few supplements. So roofing industries, where to get roofing leads, selling, and as an example, and this is a free course, by the way, so, just great free information. I like this one. He marries Spotio and Hail Recon. You can see here Spotio for your sales team software, and he combines the two, the Hail Recon, the ultimate hail damage prospecting tool, and shows you how to use those two to grow your business. Plus, how to control your leads, LastPass, taxes, other apps, texting. Those are just a few of the examples, and that's all free. So you'll want to check that out. So supplements, another way to make money. And this article came out about solar. If you ever thought about getting into, if you're a roofer now and you want to get into solar panels, Honergy has released new solar roofs. Here's the website here. They got some nice looking solar panels, and they have business opportunities with that. So you could add that on to your one of the services that you offer. And the last one, it's not really a new one, but it comes from the Roofing Webmasters, and I'm an authorized dealer. So all these things like commercial, EPDM, RoofSnap, storm damage, we can get you ranked for. We are the best roofing website company in the world. And the reason I can say that is that, first off, we've done so many roofing websites, over 300, so nobody has the data that we have. And we are a full digital marketing company where we all work together in the same office in Fort Worth, Texas. The designers, programmers, and writers work together on your Google ranking. Google changes their algorithm about every 6 months. We stay on top of it, and we're constantly behind the scenes changing the coding. We have a custom design website, and we just out content everybody else. We write 20 times the content of the best websites that are out there. Nobody knows roofing websites better than we do. So if you want to get ranked and get your phone ringing, you can just give me a call, and I'll just give you the information to see if it's right for you. We basically get Google to fall in love with your business. We get your roofing company ranked, pay-per-click, get your reviews up so you have a great reputation, video, social media mapping. Give us a call to generate more leads. So that is 6 new roofing business ideas that you can use to grow your business. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I do the roofing news each day, and I find lots and lots of gems in there to really help you grow your roofing business. So thanks so much for your time, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.